Catch y'all in the market live. So I'm over here looking at gold on a 1 minute, and as you can see, I got this channel right here, and basically you can see price broke this channel, starting to retrace, and we got this volume profiler. So basically what I want to do when I look at the market like this, when you get a pullback, let's go ahead and throw our fibs on there. And as you can see, we're approaching the golden zone, but if you hone in on price all the way down here, you see we got a small order block right here that actually pushed price. This little small demand zone right here that actually pushed price up, resting right here on our 50%. So basically, this could be a level of confluence, but as you can see, our volume profiler, we have more volume in the market at this order block here, this little demand zone here. So basically what we're gonna do, we're gonna notate this area right here as well. Demand zone blue. And then we already know the areas that we have past this mark, but we can see prices starting to push up off of this, this area here. So basically what we can do, we can wait to see how this candle closes, and if we get a bullish engulfing that kind of engulfs this candle here, then we'll actually go ahead and take an entry. Let's go ahead and be patient. Let's wait for this candle to close. We got about 12 seconds or so before this candle closes. As you can see, it's starting to push up. Okay. Let's see what this candle does as well. So one of the things we want to do with this, you guys, we want to make sure that we're patient whenever we're taking these trades. We don't necessarily want to get FOMO, we don't want to jump the gun, any of that type of thing. So just, you know, let the market give you whatever it's going to give you, and then you go ahead and take your entries from there. But you can see you got a couple of confluences. As you can see initially, this volume profiler line here was right here on this little small order block demand zone, but we see that it moved down here. So we don't want to rush or any of that. We want to let the market give us what it's going to give us. Okay, as you can see, let's wait for this candle to close here, and then we can kind of see what it's going to do. Alright, as you can see, we're getting a bullish, bearish, bullish. So we'll wait for this to close. If this closes, then we're going to go ahead and hop in for an entry. If it closes right above this wick here. If it closes above this area here, then I'll go ahead and do it. Because this is a short-term high that it's going to break. So if it breaks this and it closes above this, then we'll go ahead and take our entry. But as you can see, the price is steadily pulling back. We got about 14 seconds or so on our candle right now. We'll see. So basically what I wanted to do, I actually want price to pull down to this area here and then possibly give us something like this to the upside. But we'll see. If we can get a closure above this area right here, then I'll take that as a pretty good entry. Let's kind of see what we can actually ride price to. So from here, I see price action here. Here's an order block here. So basically, we'll utilize this for our TP. All right. Okay, I can't see my stuff. Utilize that as our TP. But we can see prices starting to pull back, which is why we want to remain patient, and we don't necessarily want to jump the gun when it comes to these entries. So basically, you just want the market to give you what it's going to give you. So this is our last point here now. This is our short-term high right here that we want price to kind of break past. And if it closes above this area, then we'll be ready to take an entry. Okay, we see we pulling around, we're pulling above it. Let's get a closure. Got about 11 seconds. You don't want to get FOMO because you have this bullish engulfing. So 9 times out of 10, what might happen is this candle here. If you take a fib on this candle here, bullish engulfing, price is going to come back and retest. So let's see what it's going to give us. And if not, if it pulls above this wick here, then I'll go ahead and take an entry. But let's look at this. Let's go ahead and put a Fibonacci tool right on this candle. See what it does. We want to see if it's going to get in the golden zone. Let's see if it's going to give us a 50% deal. As you can see, the volume profiler has moved a little bit. Okay, no, it did. There we go. It's a lot of volume right here. There we go. That's our entry right there. It didn't close yet, so let's see. There it is. I'm in. Go ahead and take our entry. Alright. I'm going to take a standard live, as you guys can see. We're in it. We'll go ahead and let it ride. Live. We're running this live. Alright. Let's move that out the way. And we're going to ride this all the way up to this area here. We're going to see what it do, you guys. I believe my entry was here. We're going to ride it up to this area right here. Bring this down. My entry was 1988, 83. Okay, we can remove our fibs. Alright. Stop loss. I'm gonna actually put it up under this candle here. And we'll see what it do, you guys. See if we can get a TP right here live on live and living color. Alright. One thing we do want to do, this is 50 pips. So want to take our GAN box like we always talk about, move it up here, and we want to notate this area right here. And we want to do 65% take profit. And we are going to set an alert right here. Go 65% take profit. Bam. Bam. Create. There we go. There we go, you guys. We already at partial profits. So I'm gonna go ahead and take partial profits. Well, if I get a chance to, but you can see where we at right now. We're running. I'm gonna go ahead and take partial profits. I'm gonna close out half of it, half of my position. And then once I close out half of my position, I'm gonna take my stop loss. I'm gonna move my stop loss right here in profit. Stop loss right there. So let me go ahead and adjust my stop loss. That way, if it stop us out, we still in profit. You know, stop us out in profit. So this is 1989, 33. All right. Okay. All right. So we're gonna let the rest of that ride. So now it's a risk-free trade. I see it pulling back. If it stop us out, oh well, we've already taken partial profits. We've taken half our position off the table when it hit 65%. And that's what I mean, you know, whenever you're taking trades like this, you want to make sure you take some partial profits. You want to make sure you secure some in your bag, you know, and then from there, it's a risk-free trade. You can relax, you can do whatever you want. You don't have to watch it, but that's, you know, that's pretty much, you know, how we do. You know, we take half that position. And so right now I'm using a smaller account is usually what I do when I'm trading. Well, I'm actually testing a smaller account now, but as you can see with this particular thing, with this one, I took partial profits. You know, that's partials right, let's see, you can see that, about 137 bucks or whatever for the partial profits. The rest of it is running, you know, it's about, you know, $69. It's going up and down, but like I said, we already got our stop losses and our stop loss and profit. So if it stop us out, oh well, I'm fine with that. We've already taken half our position off the table, and so it looked like it's going to probably stop us out. Probably, if it do, that's fine. Like I said, it's going to stop us out in profit. We won't lose anything. Pull this up here, and there it is. It stopped us out. But as you can see, we got about, let's see what it stopped us out. Stopped us out still. We still got another 25 bucks. So you kind of look at that, it's 157 bucks that happened in what, probably about 3 to 5 minutes. I mean, you can't beat that. So basically, when you're looking at this thing, you just want to hone in on your entries, and you want to make sure that you follow your principles. You don't want to jump the gun or anything like that. Don't get FOMO, you guys. You don't want to get FOMO. So just let the market come to you, and you do, or you take whatever the market gives you or whatever it allows you to do. You know what I'm saying? So that's what you want to do. Like I said, the power of Fibonacci and the fibs, you know, it's a pretty good thing. Let's check this out though. When I actually took this trade, one thing that I didn't do, I didn't look at the negative 27 extension. Let's see if that's actually what price took us. This is where it landed here. So it was almost at the negative 27. So for me, my target was a little off. Initially, I should have put my target here, but it still didn't reach it. It almost got up there, so that's fine. And yeah, we just, you know, we'll just roll with it like that. Initially, if I would not have moved my stop loss, as you can see, my stop loss was up under this candle initially. But like I said, because of that already, okay, it's going back now. But because I had already took partial profits, whenever I take partial profits, I automatically move my stop loss in the profit. That way it's a risk-free trade. I've already taken something off the table, and I'm golden. You know what I'm saying? I'll live with that. You know, every time you might not hit your TP every single time, but if you're taking partial profits off the table, hey, you can't be mad at that. All profits is good profits. You secure your bag, you A1. Hey y'all, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I hope y'all learned a little something from this video. You know, as more trades like this come along, I'll probably record. Until next time, I'll see y'all in the next video.